Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix having an issue with the live wallpaper, or the live wallpaper is not working on your iOS 18. So let's get into the workaround. The first one is all about who would be having the issue with the live wallpaper, because you might be accidentally turning on a low power battery mode over here. As you can see, might be turning on this, so you have to cross check. To just go over here in the settings, now from here navigate to the battery, and from here, as you can see, if the no power mode is turned on, you might be having this issue. For me, I've accidentally turned this on, so I'm having the trouble with the live wallpaper when I'm trying to make it. So what we need to do is just turn this off, and now we need to check. So after checking this, if it's not working, we have to go to the next one. That is all about we have to try with the second one. That is, you have to go over here. I'll be showing you with an example. So whenever you're trying to make the wallpaper, for example, I've taken some of the images with my phone. So talking about the first one, as you can see, this particular image is actually, as you can see, there is with the foreground, it is not having much distance. So you should be having minimum distance with the particular opposite which you're trying to capture with the iPhone, so it can generate a live wallpaper. So over here, if you cross it, you can see this particular image is not having enough distance between the electronic and iPhones. It's not able to generate me live wallpaper. So you have to make sure that you're able to capture, or if you're trying to capture something, the live wallpaper, always trying to make sure that you're having enough distance between the foreground. So if I try to make this as a wallpaper, for example, if I'm trying to make this as a wallpaper, if I go over here to use wallpaper, as you can see, the live is not working. So I don't have any options, the live is not working. So this is one of the reasons. So in order to, if you wanted to fix it, you have to take the image with a minimum distance to the foreground, or you can go over here and make sure you're trying to say something. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to use this as a wallpaper. And right now, as you can see, it is working as a charm, so the live wallpaper is working. So just make sure there is enough distance between what you're trying to capture to the foreground, and that's all you have to do. I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you till at my next video. Peace out. Bye bye.